Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a tasty tradition, tamales for every fiesta. Tamales are like little pockets of happiness from Mexico. We make them for holidays and special times. Every family has their own way of making them, passed down through generations. Tamales are made with love and meant to be shared. Let's learn how to make them. Scene 2. The good stuff inside. What you'll need. First things first, we need our ingredients. For the masa, or dough, you'll need masa harina, which is a special kind of corn flour. You'll also need lard or vegetable shortening, broth, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Now for the fun part, the filling. You can get super creative here. Some popular choices are pork in a spicy red sauce, chicken with a tangy green salsa, or cheese and jalapeños for a cheesy kick. And don't forget the corn husks for wrapping. Scene 3, getting those husks ready. Corn husks are like the tamales cozy blanket. They need a little prep work. Grab a big bowl and put those husks in. Cover them with hot water and let them hang out for at least an hour. This softens them up, making them easy to fold. Now they're ready to hold all that yummy filling. Scene 4. Making the delicious dough. Time to make the masa. Grab your mixing bowl and beat the lard until it's light and fluffy. Slowly add in the masa harina, baking powder and salt. Now gradually pour in the warm broth while you mix. Keep mixing until you have a smooth, soft dough. Scene 5. Adding your favorite flavors now for the good stuff. Spread a thin layer of that yummy masa onto the smooth side of a corn husk. Add a spoonful of your favorite filling right down the center. Make sure to leave some space at the top and bottom so it doesn't spill out. Now let's get wrapping. Scene 6. Wrapping with care. Fold the sides of the husk over the filling, like you're tucking it into bed. Then, fold up the pointy end. You can tie the tamale at the top with a thin strip of corn husk, or even a piece of kitchen string. Now repeat with the rest of your husks and filling until they're all wrapped up snug. Scene 7. Steaming until perfect place. The tamales standing up in a steamer basket. Add water to the bottom of the steamer, but make sure it doesn't touch the tamales. Let them steam for about an hour to an hour and a half. To check if they're done, carefully unwrap one. The mesa should be firm and come away from the husk easily. Scene 8. Time to enjoy. Your tamales are ready to be devoured. Enjoy them steaming hot, straight from the steamer. You can add your favorite toppings like salsa, sour cream, or crumbled cheese. And if you have any leftovers, you can store them in the refrigerator or freezer. Making tamales takes a little time, but it's a fun and rewarding tradition. Enjoy every bite.